Where'd that come from? Francisco Marquez.
Isn't that nice? Yeah.
Justin McCurdy. Emily O'Brien. Andrew Owens.
See, just do it.
Randall. They're taller than me. Ashley came to us a little late, but she fit right in. Autumn Santos.
My picture's ready.
Taylor Sorenson. Morgan.
Go Morgan!
Francesca Tampi.
Yours doesn't fit.
Get it? And Nick Wade.
You got to get the picture.
I had a sister of his as well. I had several of those. Morgan, yeah. Sabrina, we already talked about that. Liz Taylor's sister. I called her by her sister's name for a while. Grace, yeah. And Zara
I'll be sure
Welker.
to help women get rid of the bragging rights.
So this group had a variety of some folks from Rockland Elementary area, and so because they were full and we were the overflow school for that area, so we've got some people going to Granite Oaks and some people going to Springview. So we'll be interested to see what new friends you make next year, and just stay sweet, guys. That's important, and keep listening to your parents and being positive. So be good bucket fillers like we've been learning this year. So that's all I have. I would like to know a couple things from you, is if you'd like a DVD of the PowerPoints, or if you would like, I already got the kids' hands, but I'm not quite sure that they know for sure what they're doing with that. And then also, if you want to contribute to the Alex Federico's gift basket. So I think with the DVD, I can just get maybe quick hands, one per family member. So no kids. These are for the adults. I'm asking adults to raise their hands, so I can just do a quick count so we know how many to make. We didn't burn them yet. Do you want?